Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into it. But first thing before I start off, this video is sponsored by BookMap. So BookMap is one of the best trading platforms, I believe, for seeing liquidity, right, above and below the current market. It's just kind of a level 2 but visualized. It's something that I've used probably for about 6 or 7 years now. Or actually about 5 years, and I love it. It works amazing. It's great. Really have never had a problem with it, but as you could see, it visually shows you where orders are above and below the market. It just is essentially the same thing as level 2, right? It shows you where limit orders are, but it visually tells you here's the color code, right, as it gets darker or lighter. Okay, you could see where there's 108 contracts, and you could see this should act as a support level, right? Because there are buyers here. If price moves up, there are sellers here because they're all limit orders. So there is a link down below for a free trial with a BookMap. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Check them out. Again, if you're serious about day trading, this is definitely something you guys should look into. So as always, let's jump right into it. And today is actually a free code that I'm going to give you guys. I had somebody build it for me, so it is very simple, but probably one of the most useful codes if you like to day trade, and it just gives you levels very quick. And that code is this right here. This code, if we zoom in here, okay, if you guys know, if you've watched any of my videos, I actually have, and I'm going to give you a couple codes that are actually in this, okay? This is the previous candle. This is our current candle that's being formed right here, okay? And this is the current candle, or the previous candle. What this code does is it gives us the high and the low, and then also the 50% of the previous candle, okay? So we also have the same code right here. This gives us the high and the low, okay, and then the 50%. So watch, and we're going to get a new candle. All these numbers are going to change, and you have 33.74, the previous high, 33.74, the 50%, which is 73 1/4, 73 1/4, and then 72.50 as the prior candle's low, right? So let's say we're looking to day trade this, right? And we're looking for a retracement type of a trade, okay? We could do something like this right here, okay? And we could say, hey, we want to look for a short back up into this level. And I know exactly just by looking here, hey, that level is 33 1/4 and the high is 74. So I could come over here into my order entry, go 33 1/4. Okay, I know my stop is one tick above the previous candle's high, and maybe I'm going to look for a couple ticks, right? So now we have a new candle. Again, the high is 73, 72.50, right? So maybe I'll come over here and we'll just bring this down here, okay? And I know 73 1/4 is going to be where my stop, because it shouldn't get above there. And maybe I just want to look for a quick, maybe 1 or 2 ticks, because we are in a downtrend, right? Lower highs, basic price action, and come down, and we know if we break above here, 73 1/4, right? This is the high. We should not break that. If we do, I take a loss, whatever, and I'm out of the trade. But it's a great day trading type of tool, right? So now as this candle's about to close, if knowing that we're now in a bullish trade, I could do the opposite, right? Let's say I want to get short, or sorry, get long, because I know we're now in a uptrend, right? I know the 50% is right here. I kind of look here, 72.75. I put the order in. Okay, and maybe I'm looking for a pullback. I know the low is 72.25, right? So my stop goes one tick below. I'll look for a potential pullback, but that is essentially what this code is. I will share a link to it down below. If you actually want the source code, here's the source code. It's actually really, really easy. So if you want to kind of take the link, but I will share this code, but I'll actually share with the chart with everything. So you'll get everything. This is my new and best and updated version. I have my stochastics for my 1 minute divergence trade set up and all that. So once we go here, right, canceled trade, it's over, it's done with, things like that, and we could move on from there. So I hope this kind of helps you guys with your own day trading, to be able to just quickly see where the 50% of the previous candle. It works on all time frames. If you want to look at a 15-minute chart, right, it'll have it right here, 73. Previous high 74.25, low 71. So it just is a great guide. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, I will leave the code, or actually this chart with the code. And again, this is my latest and best 1 minute divergence with everything that I use. Keep trading simple, and that's it. So as always, thank you for watching my videos. And real quick, I'm actually going to share the 1 minute chart, not the 15. Okay, and remember to check out the free link for BookMap right down below, and we will talk to you soon. Thank you.